December. The year is almost over. The dreadful year 2020 is almost over. I usually like to end the year with cleaning. I'm pretty much cleaning through the year. As you see, every vlog I do, I'm cleaning. But this is like a mega declutter and cleaning that I do at the end of every year. This year, of course, I feel like it's more necessary because we've realized how much we don't need stuff. Like, we have so much stuff that we don't need. So through the year, I haven't really cleaned much. I did clean my closets at my house the other day because I actually hadn't set them up. My stuff was in suitcases since February because the house was being painted, and then like I barely went back for a day or two here or there, so there was no time to really set up stuff. So last week I actually did that. I also have a new closet, so if you want like a closet tour of that space once I'm done, let me know in the comments. I can do it. But I also have a lot of stuff here, like these two closets that need to be cleaned. They're a mess. I have a mess here as always. Like, you guys see this side, which looks fairly clean because this side is a mess. And this room, okay, the spare room, that's my sister's room, but right now it's a spare room and it is full of stuff that needs to be cleaned. Let me show you. Are you ready for the kachra? So this is where I hide all the stuff. So this is Web of Cycle, which was here in the monsoon and is still here. These are some of my clothes which were here like pre-pandemic, which I've been shooting with. Shoes and stuff like that. That's my mum's stuff. I cleaned her closet at the beginning of the pandemic. Still have to give away her clothes. And yeah, like lots of kachra basically, which needs to be cleaned. Okay, so here's the plan. First, we're going to move the cycle out. Then we're going to move the clothes there. And then clean the closets and these clothes and figure what stays, what goes, and what gets donated, what goes to who. I will tell you everything. Let's do it.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. It is the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la. Time we never get a peril. Fa la 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 la.
So basically, this is what my room looks like right now. This is all like regular laundry stuff, the pile here. These are my bags, which had like stuff for videos and things, which you guys have been seeing in my videos, which has been stuck here since Feb. So I've got to sort that and take it back. This is my main cupboard, but I haven't been using this. Like, most of the stuff I don't really use. This is like my night suits and stuff, and I don't know, now everything is mixed. And the bottom shelf also, I've just shoved in things. These are things that have recently come, like my gara, my jacket which came from the laundry, my suit. These I sorted in the pandemic, like all my winter stuff, because I don't need it at all. And this cupboard, basically the whole cupboard is not being used for any clothes. A lot of storage, a lot of stuff, except for here, there's some Indian stuff that I stored. This is actually the main shelf I use right now for the last few months, which has like just my t-shirts, my sweatpants, my shorts. This used to be like my basic, like not so heavy Indian stuff, and that is more winter stuff. But yeah, I haven't like touched these in months. So first, we're just going to take out all the clothes and then put them category wise and decide what goes to who and where. So this section I actually cleaned in the pandemic, so I'm not really going to remove that because that's just my winter stuff. I will add to that, however, because I have more vacuum bags and more winter stuff that goes there. Shelves are empty. This shelf is empty. This shelf is empty. This one I will do. These two I'll do last after I finish all this. Yes, there is a lot of stuff, guys. So this is not even like my main closet, and there's so much stuff, which is really, really scary. Yeah, and this year I definitely don't want to hoard more stuff. I want to get rid of stuff. So I have a few people that I usually give my stuff to. So number one is Sukanya, who I did the style swap video with. We always swap clothes. I will link that here. If you guys haven't seen it, check it out. I have some nieces that I send some stuff to that I feel is too like young for me now. I have a couple of close friends that I send stuff to. And yeah, and maybe I can even do like a giveaway at the end of the video. I haven't even gotten to like the products and makeup section and things like that yet. But yeah, if there's a lot of stuff, maybe I can do something for you guys as well. So yeah, basically those are the people I give my stuff to. Or then I have like my my parlor lady who does my manicures, and my mom's hair color and stuff, and she takes a whole bunch of stuff. And yeah, lots of people basically that take. So there's donation piles, there's all these people. I make separate bags depending on what is good for who, and then everybody gets everything, and it's a Merry Christmas. So let's do this. So basically when I'm cleaning, there's one rule that I follow, that if I haven't worn something for over a year in like my regular casual clothes, then I would totally toss it. Of course, I know this year is different because most of us haven't left the house for most of the year and haven't worn any of our clothes. But this is the rule that I generally follow. So this would be for something like this, which is like a, H&M floral dress, something casual, which, I've worn a few times. I'm done with it. I can give it away. Obviously, this doesn't apply to your former clothes, things like this Zara jumpsuit that you wouldn't wear, often. And it's something I bought pre-pandemic, like I bought on sale from Zara last January, and I've just wanted a video as of now. So yeah, this doesn't apply to Indian clothes or former clothes that you don't wear regularly. I mean this for basically just your casual everyday clothes or your jeans or things like that you would use regularly. If you haven't used them in over a year, toss them. Okay, quick update. Everything is kind of sorted in piles except that chunk which I have to deal with still. But most of these are in piles. The bags are kind of ready with everybody's stuff. So yeah, now it's time to put everything in and divide the stuff in the bags. Okay peeps, cupboards are looking organized and I have finished most of the stuff. Taken out a lot of stuff to give away, and it's mainly clothes. I haven't hit the products, the shoes or the bags that I have here yet. So yeah, I'm gonna do that tomorrow and then maybe show you like a complete finished thing in the day of how my room looks, because right now it is night. So as you can see, I started doing this in the afternoon. It is evening, it is pitch dark now, and I'm gonna show you guys what I've done. So these are going home with me. These are the clothes that I had brought here for my shoot and stuff like that. Major clean out happened here. This is going to Sukanya. Those are going to my nieces, left to fill those. That's going to another friend. That's going to my mom's parlor lady. And my winter clothes will go into those vacuum bags and go here. So that section is like saved. But otherwise the cupboard is pretty much done. We'll show you everything tomorrow. Hello friends. I have a clean room. Only my bed is not made because Mr. is chilling on it. Let me show you my closets. So at night, I kind of changed things up. I made this my everyday closet. So you have my t-shirts, my jeans, my shorts, stuff that I wear every day. And ta-da! I put my winter clothes in that closet. I'll show you. I just wanted to free up some space. So put my night suits there, lingerie there, some hanging stuff, and just like it more open. And then this side, this is where I put all my winter stuff. I realized some of my vacuum bags are torn or have holes, which is why they're not shrinking. So I thought it's better to put them here because they can like occupy space. Then we have my Indian clothes, some gowns and all of that stuff. Basically now this whole top cupboard, I don't really need. I can just keep it closed because I don't need it every day. And that I've just put the same Indian stuff there, the one shelf that I was using. And this is all like stuff and equipment and all that. So if you look at them from here, obviously they look full, but I've thrown out bags and bags like I showed you last night. They're going to like for donation to my friends, to my nieces. And I feel really good that I managed to get rid of so much stuff at the end of the year. I also cleaned out all my products and all my shoes and all of that, so put all of that outside because I didn't want to like have the junk in here. I was actually doing this till 11:30 last night, guys. Also put some products out for the giveaway that I promised you guys. I'm giving away all these products. I will put the details in the description, so check them out and enter because I wanted like to spoil you guys towards the end of the year and spread some cheer. So yeah, check it out. So guys, that's it from me. I hope this video makes you want to clean, declutter, give away stuff that you don't use and don't need right now. This is the year to give, to share. So yeah, please do that. If you watch this video and you get inspired, please tag me on Instagram with your cleaning videos and pictures. I'd love to see how many of you are decluttering after watching this. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Also comment below if you guys want me to do like the closet tour at my house with the new closet and how I've arranged things. I can do that for you maybe next year. Yeah, we've reached that point where we're saying next year, guys. See you. Bye.